Do you know that you can be able to reply to your comments using voice messages? Yes, if you don't know, you are going to know in this video. Now, YouTube has rolled out this feature a long time ago, that is 2 to 3 years ago, and they were still trying to test out this feature, with bigger creators and creators in the third world country. Now, this feature is now available to everybody on the platform. I don't know if it has gotten to everybody yet, but it has gotten to your girl, and I'm going to be replying to your comments using voice messages. So now go to the comment section and start putting in all your comments, and I'll be replying you using the voice message. What this voice message does is that it allows you to reply to your comment in 30 seconds to your subscriber, to any of your comments, all of your comments, whatever comment you choose to reply to, you can reply with voice message. Isn't that cool? Like, you'll be able to connect with your audience using your voice, just like how we used to reply to your WhatsApp messages. You'll be able to reply to your subscribers as if they are your friends, as if they are your colleagues, as if they are your, it's going to give you this one-on-one relationship with your audience, and this is so very good. What you need to do is that if this feature has not gotten to your YouTube studio, what you need to do is to go to your app store or go to your Play Store and then update this feature right now. Update your YouTube channel, update your YouTube studio, so that you can be able to see this feature. And if you are not still yet to see this feature, do not panic, do not worry. This feature will be available to everybody very soon. Whether you are monetized or not, you can be able to see this feature on your YouTube studio. So what you need to do is that you head over to your YouTube studio and click on community, just like I'm doing right here. When you click on community, you can reply to your audience and just click on the reply button like you want to type a message. When you are about to type the message, you are going to see the voice message at the side. Just hit on it and it's going to tell you to record your voice and reply using the voice record. Once you have replied, you can reply up to only 30 seconds, and then it's going to load, and your subscriber or the person you are replying to can be able to view that message and listen to your reply in detail. Now, another thing YouTube also did is to transcribe this reply into whatever language you are in, whatever language your channel is in. If your channel is in Spanish, your channel is in French, any channel, whatever reply you send to your subscriber, whatever reply you send to your audience, it's going to transcribe to that language. Now you can see it right here. My reply has been transcribed to English. So if the person cannot listen to my voice properly, or the person is having any impairment, the person can still read my reply regardless. Now, you can also access this feature on your YouTube app by clicking on your video like this. When you click on whatever video you have created and you have a comment there, just go to the comment section and then click on reply message. Then when you want to reply message, that feature is going to come up here. As you can see, there's a red button on that feature. It means that feature is new and YouTube just brought it to the platform. As at late last year, YouTube has already said that this feature is going to be available to all creators in 2025, and voila, it is now available to all creators, whether you are monetized or not. So go ahead now and start using this feature on your channel. Go ahead. This feature is going to boost visibility, it's going to boost engagement, it's going to give you one-on-one relationship with your subscribers and your community tab. That is those that also always reply to, or those that always put comments on your videos, and you reply with your voice note. It gives them the ability to want to always put comments on your videos because they will love to want to hear your voice. And it also gives you, as a channel that is doing teaching, on those that are in the teaching niche, those that are in the finance niche, those that are doing how to tutorial and style, you can be able to also put an explanatory comment on your video. That is, if whatever you said in the video was not clear enough, you can be able to put it on your comments, and then they will be able to get you real time. So guys, head down to your YouTube studio or head down to your channel and start implementing this new feature that YouTube just rolled out. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach tips and strategies on how to grow your YouTube channel, YouTube automation, and how to grow on this space organically. And if you have not watched my video on how to get your 4,000 watch hour, click on this link right here. It will take you straight down to the video after you have finished watching this one.